Welcome to WealthWise. In today's exciting video, we delve into the world of personal finance with an engaging review of the top books that can transform your financial future. But do remember that no book alone can revolutionize your life. The real power lies within you. But sometimes you find a book that provides the information and motivation needed to spark that change. Today, we are sharing the 7 best personal finance books that have transformed many lives. Ready to take control of your finances? Let's dive in.
Our first recommendation is I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. This book is comprehensive, covering the 4 pillars of personal finance: banking, budgeting, investing, and saving. What sets this book apart is its 6-week plan that serves as a roadmap to financial success. The advice is practical and can be acted on immediately, making it an invaluable resource for both beginners and those looking to refine their financial strategies.
Now let's talk about The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. He simplifies the complex world of investing. Originally written to pass on his knowledge to his daughter, this book is perfect for anyone early in their investing journey. By the end, you'll have the tools to set up an investment plan that could lead to early retirement and financial independence.
Next up is Broke Millennial by Erin Lowry. Millennials face unique financial challenges, from student loans to navigating a shaky job market. Erin Lowry addresses these issues head-on, offering practical advice on everything from student debt to managing money in relationships. It's the perfect beginner's guide to taking control of your finances. This book is a favorite gift for anyone starting their financial journey. It's relatable, actionable, and tailored specifically for the millennial generation.
For those needing a mindset shift, You Are a Badass at Making Money by Sincero is a must-read. Sincero shares her personal journey of overcoming bad money habits and negative mindsets. Her humorous and engaging writing style makes this an easy and motivating read. Identify and transform the beliefs holding you back, and start building a healthier relationship with money. David Bach's Smart Women Finish Rich is another eye-opener. Bach addresses the unique financial challenges women face, offering tailored advice for every stage of life. It's a comprehensive guide for preparing for the future, regardless of where you start. It's empowering and essential reading for any woman looking to take control of her financial destiny.
Your Money or Your Life by Vicki and Joe Dominguez challenges you to rethink your relationship with money. This book emphasizes aligning your financial goals with your personal values. It asks the pivotal question, how much money are you willing to trade your life for? Find true happiness by creating spending habits that reflect your values and life goals. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel delves into the emotional and psychological aspects of money management. Housel uses real-life stories to illustrate how our emotions and backgrounds shape our financial decisions. Understanding these psychological factors can lead to better, more rational financial choices.
These 7 books have the potential to transform your financial life. They provide the knowledge, tools, and motivation you need to take control of your money and build the future you desire.
Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step, or in this case, a single book.
Happy reading. And yes, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell to stay updated. See you in the next video.